we are going to, have somebody special come speak to us. Alex, you can introduce her.
So I'd like to introduce Angela Fisher now. Angela is the co-founder and director of ClockworX, which is an award-winning bookkeeping firm that provides businesses with a complete outsourced account service customized to their needs. Before starting ClockworX, Angela spent many years working with New Zealand businesses as a chartered accountant in public practice, and we're really happy to have Angela here with us today.
So welcome, Angela. I'm going to stop sharing the screen so we can rather see you instead of the slide of you, but welcome. So to get started, we just wanted to maybe hear a little bit about you and your business and, the background. So if you can give us some insights into that.
Sure, thanks. And firstly, thank you for your invitation today to of presenting on this webinar. So thanks for the introduction. I founded ClockworX around about 7 years ago. I'm a chartered accountant, and it was really founded by need I saw in the market for quality and real-time data, and that sort of brought me to found ClockworX. We are compliance only, so bookkeeping. It's really based on getting us as close as we can to real-time data, and providing that data to CAs and anyone else in the market with a need for reporting.
Amazing. I think that real-time data is so important. I remember when I was at university, there was always that kind of fight between financial and management, and they always said financial's historic, but today you can get real-time data on everything, which is so much more useful. So I think then if you can just give us some insights into the accounting industry where you're based, any trends and other things you're noticing. Sure. And how are you solving those?
So we are predominantly, we're based in Auckland, New Zealand, predominantly New Zealand businesses, but we do cross over into Australia. And so I guess the real issues at the moment we see within our business, but also with clients that we're working with. And I think probably one of those major, which is a pain point for most businesses at the moment, is attracting talent. And that's been a journey that we've all been on since COVID, really. And the labour market is not as tight as it was, but it's still relevant, and we've sort of overcome that as much as we can by putting in initiatives to retain staff, team building, incentives. It's not just about the salary, as we know now. We've just introduced something in the New Zealand team this year to give them what we call a ClockworX Day. So that's a day each month that they can choose to take off for their own well-being. We hope that will go a long way to give them that work-life balance that really we all need in this day and age of working with the technology that we've got. Another biggie for us is cyber, is the data security, and that comes up again and again with our clients. And so we've just been through a journey to get ISO 27001 certified. So that's the international standards for those that don't know, in terms of it works through your technology, your data security protocols. So that's really exciting for us, and it's something we saw as super important as we move through the new era of technology. We've all got a lot of tech going on. We internally have got 17 apps that we engage. So that's really big for us. And I guess the ongoing challenge in our industry, and it will be global, is the technology advancements and that change management around how we do things, how we keep on that bell curve to stay ahead of the changes that are coming at us faster and faster.
Agreed. There's exciting new changes in technology, but we also have to make sure that we always, as you say, actually know how to make the most of them and don't get overwhelmed by them. And I think, those trends, I think, are very global as well. When I speak to accountants all over the world, the talent shortage is always a thing, and technology advancement. So yeah, it's very interesting to hear those insights. And then you mentioned your tech stack. So maybe if you can just expand a little bit more on kind of what you look for in an app and how, what apps you have and how Sift fits into those apps.
Yeah, sure. I think probably the biggest common denominator of what we look for now is their investment into AI, into machine learning. That's a biggie for us. If we want to partner with a technology application, we need to know that it's going to take us in the forward for a number of years.
Maybe then to kind of just bring it back to Sift, how do you guys use Sift in your practice? What do you love about it? How does it work well with your tech stack and
yeah, look, Sift is we use it as a plug and go solution. We introduce it to the client very early on in the client onboarding process. We sit down with our clients. What do you like? What don't you like? How can we customize this so that we can actually push the button at the end of the month and it's produced? And we very much comes back to that quality data, that accurate data that we're getting right during the month. We've got confidence in pushing that Sift button that those reports are accurate and they're timely too, because we can move our reporting periods closer and closer. And that is our focus. And we're always looking for efficiencies at ClockworX. And Sift allows us that seamless integration, and it allows us to get those month-end efficiencies. So we absolutely love it.
Yeah, that's always good to hear. I think I like what you said about how getting the clients on early. I think onboarding clients is always a challenge. So I think, getting them invested and sharing it early is a really good tip for others to maybe also apply in their practice. Awesome. Yeah, I think that's all the questions I had for you. I don't know if there's anything else you wanted to share with the rest of us.
Yeah, I guess too, Sift, we love the aesthetics. So we love the branding that we've got our ClockworX colours in there, we've got our logo, and that says, we can package it up and sell it as within our fixed monthly fee. So yeah,
you want to give a obviously accurate but also beautiful report, that's
right.
Improves your brand as well. So no, that's awesome. Thank you so much for all that feedback. I really loved hearing your insights and learning a bit about Sift and also the local New Zealand industry as well. Thanks so much for joining us. We really appreciate it. And
welcome. Thank you.